A very good afternoon, everyone. I, Ishmeet Kaur Sodhi, Faculty CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, welcome you here at CPJ campus today, where we have organized Career Expo 2024, an internship and placement fair. Hi, I welcome Sejal you over here at CPJ. From which company you are?
I am from Waco Binary Semantics LLP, so it's a US-based multinational.
Okay, thank you, Sejal. So, how was your experience over here at CPJ today?
So, in case I have to define my experience in one word, I would say phenomenal.
Thank you. You must be taking the interviews of a lot of students. So how potential you find CPG students? Overall, like, definitely you must be taking all other colleges also. So what differentiation you can say that CPG has initiated in the students?
So, as of now, I have only taken 20 interviews, but yes, I can probably comment on those interviews. So, I see since it is affiliated to IPU, I see the quality is much more cleaner and polished as compared to other colleges. And the students have got robust trainings and they are very clear with their concepts.
Okay. Any suggestion you want to give to the students as how to improve their skills and what, as your LLP, I think is from the IT, right? Yeah, so from the IT background, if you say the student have to grow for next 5 years, so what skill they should inculcate in themselves?
So I think that, since it is a Gen Z environment and we are into Generation Z, I want students to clear the ambiguity in their mind and to be clear what they want and what they are actually seeking for. I want the students to prepare more about their technologies, embrace technologies, and focus on communication skills, because when you come to IT service technology based companies, communication is must when we have elite clients.
Yeah. Any last words you want to share for the CPJ?
I would want to say I am filled with gratitude and I want to thank all of you for providing wonderful hospitality and having me here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sejal, and I really hope students are looking forward for your company, and definitely your association with CPJ should be much longer.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.